How to change password in Exness. First of all, open the Exness app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap on the Accounts section to view your trading accounts. Select the account for which you want to change the password. Then tap on the Details button, three dots icon, to open Account Settings. Select the Settings tab and you will see the Change Trading Password option. Tap on it. You will be asked to enter your new password. Make sure to create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account remains safe. After entering the new password, tap Submit to save the changes. Your account will now be updated with the new password immediately. Now you know how to change your password in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.